So retinol is working slowly for you. Here's possibly why. So we all know that retinol needs 2 conversion steps to transform from retinol to retinaldehyde, from retinaldehyde to retinoic acid, which is the active molecule. So the first conversion step has 2 limitations, to be honest. One is that this reaction is reversible, which means retinol to retinaldehyde can at any moment be retinaldehyde to retinol and back to square one. The second limitation is that this is a rate-limiting reaction, which means the speed of this reaction, retinol to retinaldehyde, will determine how fast you will get this result. So although we all express the same enzymes and protein, but the activity and function of this enzyme is different from person to person, and this incident is called enzymatic polymorphism, which means I may produce an enzyme with a high activity and you do produce an enzyme with low activity, or the other way around. So in my opinion, to overcome this possible limitation, you can use retinaldehyde, because this reaction, retinaldehyde to retinoic acid, is mostly irreversible, and you will be overcome the 2 limitations with the first conversion step.